Michael Landgraf, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with another 3Rivers market report for February 26, 2025. And up arrows definitely beat the down arrows. You know, houses sell every day, closings happen every day, but we're definitely seeing some excitement in the market. The springtime market is here, selling season is here. You know, people got to make moves, got to make a move, reach out to us, definitely. But here is the data. We saw active available listings coming down 2.2% week over week, but that's because we're stripping inventory from that demand, but up 28% versus last year. New homes sold came in up 5% week over week, down just less than one, just down one from last year. So we're about on pace with last year. Solds came in up 6% week over week, down just 20% year over year. Pendings came in down up 29% week over week, up 4% year over year. Median sale price came in at $215,000, showing 11% depreciation, which is one of the few times we've seen depreciation. First time this year. I think we only saw it once or twice, maybe last year. We usually are seeing appreciation. And over the last 12 months, the year over year number, we're still seeing 6.4% appreciation. Median sale price about $249,900. Days on market sped up big time. Average 26, median 11. That's 18 days faster on average than last week and 11 on median faster. So we definitely saw that speed up. That's why I believe spring market is here. Tax checks are in. People are ready to get out there, get their down payments and their closing costs, get in them new homes. So yeah, excited about that. And we also are seeing that the average days on market and median is faster than last year at this time when it was 33 and 13. Over the last 12 months, we've got 4,433 homes sold, which is showing up about 4%. So we're still growing. We're selling more than we were last year, which, keep in mind, nationally, last year was the lowest homes sold in 30 years since 1995. That wasn't true with Fort Wayne. Fort Wayne 2024, we actually sold more than 2023, just barely. And we believe this year is going to be just up from that. And these numbers are indicating that right off the bat in the spring market, that we're going to be selling just a little bit more. Probably end up for the year, probably around 4,600, I would say, homes sold. So, but it definitely is going to be up from that low that we hit. We saw the bottom back in 2023. I'm showing about 4.37 buyers per listing. So if you're ready to make a move, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to put a game plan together for you. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.